Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday. It's 7 a.m. My husband just left for work, and I need to start getting ready. I feel kind of tired still, but I need to get ready to work out. Baby Anna's here with me in bed. We have a couple of errands to run around the house, and also we need to go to Target and buy a couple of things that we need. So I thought, why not bring you along? This is kind of what I do on a day-to-day basis. It's not always the same thing. So let's get started. I'm gonna change into my workout clothes so you guys can see what I do to work out. And also Anna is coming along. She's gonna be working out with me, so that's gonna be fun. I've been using her as a weight for the last few weeks because she's a little bit heavier now. Hopefully you stick around, and if you like this kind of videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I'll link it somewhere here in the video so you can see me over there on a daily basis. So yeah, let's do this. So I just finished my workout here with Baby Anna, and it was kind of intense. So now we're gonna get ready. We're gonna shower and then clean a little bit before going out because the house is a little mess, and I'll have breakfast as well. So that's what's gonna happen right now. So let me shower and then I'll get back to you guys. There has been a change of plans, and Baby Anna loves her rattle. Let me show you. She's so cute. You like it, mamá? Preciosa. Qué bonita. ¿Te gusta tu sonaja? ¿Te gusta la sonaja? Anyway, I was saying that my husband left really early for work this morning because he had an offsite. They went to a hotel near us. It's like 45 minutes from where we live. So they rented a room at a hotel at the island, and he just called me. He's like, hey, you know what? I have to come back tomorrow again. Do you want to come over and just stay in one of the rooms at the hotel? And then that way I don't have to be driving to the house. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to pack right now and we're going to head over there. So it's going to be fun. It's just going to be kind of like a little getaway for a night. We've never gone out with Baby Anna anywhere except to the doctor and a couple of stores. But it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice to just get out of the house and go there. Even though we might be in the room the whole time, I don't know. But probably I can walk at the beach with Baby Anna. It's gonna be so nice in the morning. Anyway, she is a lovely baby. I love you, mamita. So I think I'm gonna have breakfast. My house, it's just a total mess, which is okay. Baby Anna, she was crying right now, and I just gave her a little cookie so she can hold herself. Meanwhile, I get breakfast going. So I just finished making breakfast. I have my toast right there, and Baby Anna's gonna eat with me. Right? Yes. For hers, I never give her honey, just because babies cannot eat honey. So I'm just gonna cut a little piece. I never put it on her mouth because I know that she is going to be expecting me to feed her like in the mouth. So I just leave it for her to grab, and whenever she's ready, she'll just start eating it. Just like that. So that's what's happening. So I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast and then I'll get back. Baby Anna took a nap. She just woke up. That's why she looks so so rested. And now I'm going to put her here in her little play station. And I'm gonna put some Patito Juan. If you don't know what Patito Juan is, it's like a Spanish Christian cartoon that has music. It's like a Cocomelon kind of thing, but it's Christian and it's in Spanish. So she only listens to Spanish things. I usually just put it for like 15-20 minutes just so I can pick up the house real quick. If not, I won't be able to. So this is what I just put YouTube, and that's the song that she likes. So she likes it. So she's gonna be watching that. Meanwhile, clean up here. Like right now, I need a break to clean up. My husband bought me these for Valentine's. They're like balloons with some flowers, but the balloons, I think I'm going to have to say bye to them already because they're getting kind of like, yeah, they need to go. But the flowers are so beautiful. I love them so much. Look at the floor. I had to take off my shoes because Baby Anna threw food on the floor and I stepped on it and it was just a mess. I didn't even finish my breakfast because she was fuzzy. So I'm not even hungry anymore. I did eat like 2 breads to toast. So I'm gonna get started and then I'll get back. Almost done with the house. You can see I just need the dishes and the dogs need to go out. So we're gonna go out for like an hour so they can be playing around, and Anna needs some air, fresh air. Something really sad happened here in my backyard, and you're gonna see Mila pee. I think it's obviously it was the cold temperatures, but it's so sad because now the whole yard is dead and it's not pretty anymore. It was all green. It was real nice, and we have some gardening things there. But yeah, and even our lemon tree is completely dead. Right there where Chato is at, it's completely dead. So I'm sad about that. Okay, I can't record anymore because look at Baby Anna. She's about to fall. Okay, so that's done. I'm going to finish all these dishes. Okay, almost done with the house chores. I just need to sweep and mop, and that's gonna be it for today as far as cleaning wise. It's almost gonna be lunchtime. Can't believe time goes by so fast. Right now I'm going to take her to play. She's gonna play a little bit more. And then her nap time should be here like in an hour or so. So It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. And then after that, I'll probably just sweep and mop before I start making the arrangements to leave for tonight. Every day I take it a day at a time because, like I said, it can be it can be crazy just depending on Anna's mood and the dogs. Right now, all the dogs are taking their nap as well. So yeah, we're gonna continue with this day, and then hopefully in like an hour or so I can be back and update you with what's going on. But for now, we're gonna take her and play, and I need to do some research. I'm trying to see which is our like best ways to invest right now. So I'm going to do some research while she plays a little bit, and then during her nap time probably come and just clean up. So that's the plan. We'll see if I stick to it, and if I don't, you'll know why. Okay, so it's a little later right now. I think like 2 hours after you saw me. Baby took a nap. I was kind of falling asleep with her, but she was eating as well, and now it's my time to eat. Yesterday I made, oh, so good. It's some cactuses or nopales if you're from my rancho. I made some nopales with like a salad of nopales, so I'll be eating that with some tortilla strips. This is gonna be so good, and some water just because I don't have anything else to drink and I love water anyway. Got my water, and now I'm gonna sit and eat because I am so hungry. Baby is watching a music video about how to be a princess, so I have about 5-10 minutes to quickly eat. Oh, I forgot about the balloons. I need to pop them, but my husband just texted me that I need to get ready to go to the island, so I'll be doing that right after I eat. Oh, so good. I cannot. It's so good. Okay, it's around 4:40. And I'm just feeding the dogs because we're gonna head out already. I already packed. I'm kind of late right now. I had a meeting for a photo shoot that I've been wanting to do, and it ran a little bit longer than expected, but we are ready to head over there. I'm supposed to be there at least at 5:30 because we have small group, and I want to make sure we're situated and we're ready to go for small group. And it's a 40-minute drive, so yeah. And I'm just counting here. I'm just seeing that I'm barely gonna make it on time. I just want the dogs to go poop real quick, and I'll be back early in the morning to feed them again. But yeah, I just changed baby Anna. My hair, I thought I was gonna straighten it. That plan went out the window. I mean, it's not that bad. I could just put it behind my ears, you know. That usually makes it all right. It is what it is, you know. But I am going to retouch my makeup once I get there over there, because I don't want to look kind of like, or you guys are seeing me like this, so might as well just be like this, you know, my true self. I'm going to see you once I get over there. Bye. didn't get to say bye last night. We had small group and then we went to have dinner. And it was a really nice time with my husband and our pastors. So hope you're having a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Bye bye.